How you doing, guys? The Everyday Dad back again with another video. Today we're going to talk about the Ring doorbell. If you don't know what that is a video doorbell that hooks up through Wi-Fi to your home and to your cell phone. So we're going to go over the one I have. I also have another one to install. And we're going to talk about what that means as a crime prevention tool for you, your neighbors, and your community. So sit tight and let's get started. Alright, this is the Ring doorbell. This one's hooked up to the front door of my house. This is their standard model. They do have a Ring Pro, which has a 1080p camera versus a 720, and some other different things you can do with it through the app. This is motion censored up to 30 feet, as well as a doorbell that when you ring it, it'll alert you on your phone. Mine is hooked up that it's motion censored, and I should get your notification prior to you even hitting the doorbell. So I'm going to insert some video, and this is video of my child coming home and having fun with the doorbell, as well as a few other clips of non-family members coming to the house and the Ring doorbell alerting me of their presence. So check those out.
Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, Dad! How are you doing?
He's not there right now.
Move it. Where's the
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. It's there. It's there. Happened. Yeah. Hi guys, so this is the back door of my home, and this is where we're going to mount the other one. Now this one's not going to act so much as a doorbell as it is a security camera. Because I have two of them, I don't need to have multiple doorbells around the house. But because I do have it and it acts like a security camera, that's how I'm going to use it. Alright guys, so here are the components to the Ring doorbell. One is the back plate, which will get mounted onto whatever surface you're going to mount it. The actual doorbell itself. And some screws. And it also comes with a mounting level that hooks to the back plate so we know that it's level. Now the one thing I don't have is the piece that helps it mount to the siding. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and mount it to the siding, which I know there's nothing back here other than wood. And later on I'll order the wedge piece that assists with the mounting it to the siding. And what it does, it pretty much levels it out so it's not mounted at an angle. But because I'm not worried about it facing straight out so much, I'm okay with a little bit of inclination, so it helps me view the backyard a little bit better. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and mount it onto the siding using the screws and back plate. I'm going to just loosely mount it up there so I can get another screw in place to keep it leveled. Alright, so I'm going to bring you up here so you can see the mounting plate with the level on it. See if I get you focused in on that, and there you go. So you can see that mounting plate has the level on it, and it shows it's pretty level. Alright, so I have it mounted in place. It is level. I'm going to go ahead and pop this level off and take it off. Now I can slide the actual ring onto the back plate and push it down. Alright, so before we get that locked in place, what we want to do is go ahead and push the orange button on the back. And that'll allow the ring, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it has that blue or white circle rotating. That says that it's searching. So I'm going to go ahead and get this put on and locked in place so we can go ahead and go to the app and get this set up. Alright guys, I'm in my backyard now. The reason why I put it back here is because I have a shed with tools in it. I don't have a garage, so this is my garage. It's a 12 by 20 shed. It's in the backyard. Now the Ring doorbell should pick up motion for this area. I have it set to 30 feet. This is within the 30 feet. So we should pick up anything or anybody that is coming around the shed. Also, my parents' property is behind me, as well as my sister's property, which is on this side. So not only does it pick up my shed, but it should pick up anybody coming from her area, as well as anybody coming from my parents' area. Now, that doesn't seem like a big deal, but if you live next to your folks or your family, that can be kind of nerve-wracking, waiting for them to just show up. So this kind of gives me the grandparents alert. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. For setting it up, it's as easy as following the instructions on the app. They make it really easy. When it comes for crime prevention, you can't beat video. Police nowadays, they want video. We may not know who they are on the video, but it's as simple as going to Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media, putting it out there and saying, hey, do y'all know this guy? And I can't tell you how many crimes we've solved in the last couple years with video and with the Ring doorbell. So if you like this video, guys, like it, subscribe if you want to. Hope to have more product coming out from Ring soon. I'm looking at getting their motion censored floodlight and installing that on the house as well. So thanks for clicking that button, and y'all have a wonderful day.